even if you've got balls, doesn't mean you're going to get women. It actually isn't just about confidence. I know in past videos and most dating coaches, most things you'll see online will just tell you, oh, a guy just needs to be confident. That's all you need, apparently. But I'm going to tell you what else you need. And I know this. I've just gone for a walk here in Bucharest, and it reminded me, I literally stopped in front of two beautiful girls who were having lunch, stopped just out of nowhere, like the G, and I said, hey, in the poshest British accent I could put on, I'm just playing games, I'm just having fun. I'm outcome independent. I don't care if I get her number. I don't care if she likes me. I don't give a fuck. I'm just there to make someone's day. So I said, I don't mean to disturb your wonderful lunch. I just wanted to say that this girl looks beautiful and I hope that she has a wonderful rest of the day. And these girls were baffled. They literally didn't know what to do with themselves. I wish I caught them on camera. Both absolutely gorgeous, both 9s. And they were like, thank you, played with her hair. And I was like, just want to make sure you have a lovely day. What are your names? Asked their names. Can't even remember what their names were, doesn't even matter. And then I said, cool, I'm Raphael, nice to meet you. And I left. I just got out of the situation. And that's all I wanted to do. So on top of having the confidence, now most of the time, even if you're confident, you're not going to get a positive reaction. You're not guaranteed to get a positive reaction just because you're confident. You need more than that. You need what I would call an aura and a presence. And that comes with style. Look at the way I'm walking out today. Got my American fucking Roberto Cavalli. I'm wearing a rosary bead. I'm vibing today. I got my bum watch on. I'm looking slick. I'm looking different. I'm looking like I'm famous. Do you know what I mean? And so that kind of aura that you give off in front of someone intrigues the shit out of them. Really makes them think, whoa, who's this? And that is the reaction that you want to get from these girls. Whoa, who's this? Playing with their hair, fucking confused and completely lost about who has just approached them. They don't want to be like, ugh, who's this guy? So yeah, of course, sorry, you can't be ugly. I get that. But if you are, right? You're a 5, you're a 6, you're struggling to get to a 7. You need to have some style. You need to be dressed a certain way. You need to look cool as fuck. And you need to have a certain aura about you. That aura is the energy that you give off. Are you giving confident, I don't give a fuck vibes? And you're just a cool dude who's going about his day, who's just complimenting someone. Is that what you're giving off? Because when you give that off, you'll get positive in return. If you give off nervous, weird energy, you're a fat guy, you're ugly, you're also not dressed well, and you're not confident, and you're nervous, and you walk up to these girls and you say those things, no matter what you say will not work. I'm telling you this, will not work. I am an expert at this stuff. Probably one of the best in the world. You don't need to study psychology to be the best in the world at this shit. I don't need to have studied psychology. I am psychology. I am what it represents because I've experienced it my whole life. I've interacted with more human beings than any psychologist probably ever has, especially when it comes to women. And this is why I discuss female nature. So your confidence is actually not enough. Sorry, dude. If you're confident and you're ugly, they're just not going to be feeling it, especially if they're top level girls. These girls I just hit up there, they were both 9s, insanely hot. So the insanely hot girls are not going to give you the time of day if you don't have the aura. If you don't have something about you. If you're just uncool and a bit weird, bro, you're not going to get 8s and 9s. Sorry, you might as well tell you, stick to the 3s and the 4s. No, not the 3s and the 4s. No, don't stick to that. But stick to the 5s and the 6s and stick to your level. Don't be going for the 8s and 9s and thinking you're going to get them. You're not. Leave them for me. For my aura, my confidence, my vibe, my money, my status, my XXXXX. Hate to sound like a dickhead, but it's true. Aura is everything. Aura comes from style. Make sure you step out the house looking stylish, looking confident, looking cool, and feeling good. That is the key, my friends. You combine that with confidence, and then you'll get the results. Confidence alone doesn't get you the results you're looking for. If you think you're going to be ugly and have no aura and no style, but you're confident, it's still not going to work, and you're going to be disappointed. So follow this advice, think about this, share it with someone who probably needs to hear this, and develop your own style, man. Be fucking cool. Come up, buy some cool glasses, buy some cool clothes, hit the gym, look like a somebody, and people give you the time of day.